Most people think confidence disappears overnight, but that's not true. Confidence doesn't break loudly, it fades silently. Through small habits, you repeat every single day. Fix these 5 mistakes, and you'll feel powerful again. Overthinking everything, you replay conversations in your head again and again. You imagine worst-case scenarios before anything even happens, and slowly, your mind turns into an endless storm. Stop overthinking. Start acting. Seeking approval. You change how you speak, how you act, just to be liked. But here's the truth. The more you seek approval, the less people respect you. Stop explaining yourself, talking too much. You feel the need to fill every silence, to prove something. But confident people don't do that. They observe more, then they speak, say less, mean more, avoiding discomfort. You run away from hard things because they feel uncomfortable. But confidence is built in discomfort, not in comfort. Do one hard thing every day. Negative self-talk, that voice in your head, is quietly destroying you. You're not good enough, you'll fail, and if you believe it, you become it. Control your inner voice before it controls you. Confidence is not something you find, it's something you build, silently, daily. Fix these mistakes, and you won't need validation anymore.